My name is Shashank Mahmia and I come from the textile city of Rajasthan, Bhilwara. I have completed my 2 years PGDM course from Universal Business School. As far as students are concerned, faculties play a very major role in shaping their careers, and that is what the most attractive and useful part of UBS. Faculties come directly from the industry, which provides students the exposure to experience the things from the industry point of view and just not the bookish language. Faculties at UBS are highly learned and well qualified. They are punctual when they meet students at their classes. Also, the most beneficial part is the industry exposure that they provide the students with, which helps the students to grow their career when they reach the industry after their placements. The most attractive part of UBS is that it prepares students for the industry. So what I learned here the most is to meet with the deadlines here. At the extreme situations, I learned that how to meet deadlines with the perfection of work that the other people required from your side. It always feels great when your hard work pays off. So when I took admission in UBS, I was really clear that I want to opt for finance, and in that also I wanted to enter the banking industry, and I targeted into that direction only. IDFC First Bank was the first company that come into that sector, and I hit the bullseye there, and I got the placement in IDFC First Bank. It always feels a very exciting and proud moment for me, and I am really excited to work into that sector and grow my career in that direction. As UBS is a pan-India recognized institute, students came here from all over the country. So I got the opportunity to interact with a very vast majority of the people all over the country. I had fun there with them during the breaks that I got in the classes. Also, at the evenings, we sit at the parks, we go to the gym area, at the clubhouse, we play indoor games also. In the hostel area, we had our own kind of fun. We cook food here, we enjoy, we sing, we dance, we play music, and we had a fun life at UBS. UBS is a very good place when you are concerned about shaping your career and spending 2 valuable years of your life here. I see a very drastic change in myself when I compare myself from the person I was 2 years back. I would like to thank the chairman, Mr. Tarun Anand sir, all my faculties and my program director, and the complete staff of UBS that supported me and guided me towards the path of success for my career ahead.